Claris presents psychological facts about attraction. Number 1. Similarity attracts. People tend to be attracted to others who have similar interests, values, and personalities. Number 2. Opposites do not always attract. While sometimes people are attracted to those who are very different from them, more often, people are attracted to those who are similar to them. Number 3. Physical appearance matters. Physical appearance plays a significant role in initial attraction, and people tend to be attracted to others who they perceive as physically attractive. Number 4. Pheromones play a role. Pheromones, which are chemical signals released by the body, can unconsciously influence attraction and sexual behavior. Number 5. Social proof influences attraction. Social proof is the idea that people are more likely to be attracted to someone if they see that other people are already attracted to them. Number 6. Familiarity breeds attraction. The mere exposure effect states that people tend to be attracted to those whom they see often, even if they are not consciously aware of it. Number 7. Confidence is attractive. Confidence is a highly attractive trait and can make someone more appealing to others. Number 8. The brain chemicals dopamine and oxytocin play a role. Dopamine is a brain chemical associated with pleasure and reward, and oxytocin is associated with trust and bonding. These chemicals can be released in response to someone we find attractive, contributing to feelings of attraction and attachment. Number 9. Attraction can be influenced by context. The situational context, such as the environment, other people present, or previous experiences, can influence attraction and who we are attracted to. Number 10. Attraction can be influenced by unconscious biases. People's unconscious biases, such as those based on race, ethnicity, or gender, can influence who they are attracted to and how they perceive others. These are some of the key psychological factors that influence attraction, but it is important to note that attraction is complex and can be influenced by a multitude of factors.
Thanks for watching. In this video, we discussed some of the highest ranking and most engaging psychological facts about attraction. From similarity attraction to the role of confidence and unconscious biases, we covered a lot of ground. We hope you learned something new, and that you have a better understanding of the psychology behind attraction. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Until next time.